Everyone wants financial stability and prosperity, but only a few can boost extra rupees in their wallets. The sad truth is that there is a huge gap between the rich and the poor, and very few know how to bridge it. Hello everyone, my name is Jamal and I'm solving this problem through trading. I understand poverty all too well, but for many years now I've been living a life I couldn't even dream of. Today, you will learn how to easily make money in the market using just 2 indicators, and at the end of the video I will share how to start from a much stronger financial position. Let's begin. First, we'll add our 2 trading indicators, the Schaff Trend Cycle and ZigZag. We'll keep ZigZag at default setting, but adjust the trend cycle visual presentation slightly. I'll change this line to white for better visibility on the charts. Perfecto. Now our strategy is fully configured. Let's examine how to properly execute this trade. Focus on the Schaff Trend Cycle zone. The indicator may temporarily exit these areas, but it always reverts back within its channel boundaries. These are crucial moments because they almost always indicate a market reversal, meaning the price itself is about to turn. Look what happened to the price immediately after the trend cycle broke upward. Here, the asset drops, and this aligns perfectly with the indicator falling back inside this channel. I think you've already grasped the logic. The indicator predicts shifts in market momentum, and now we have a second indicator that significantly enhances our analysis. ZigZag provides us with levels to mark from its pivot points, sometimes called knees. Once we plot these levels on the charts, we immediately start seeing how price reacts to them. The asset consistently bounces off these levels. It may dip below or rise above temporarily, but then reverses. You can also use simple trend line break in any case when both indicators give confirmed signals we enter the trade. Now, let's test this in real time on a fresh chart. Alright, I'm entering a short position here. Let's analyze the signals first. First, the Schaff Trend Cycle has turned downward and is currently in the lower zone. Second, the price has bounced off the ZigZag level and is now gradually declining. We've got the exact moment when the asset begins its downward trend. Now, we just need to wait for the trade to play out. Important note, I'm risking $500, just 50% of my trading account. My goal today is to show how trading can deliver rapid results, hence the professional risk level. While I can afford this is due to experience, I strongly advise beginners to exercise caution. You absolutely have opportunities to profit, just remember to manage your risk carefully. Alright, our first trade of the day is closed. I'll take a short break now and then we'll continue about risk management. It's simple. The less you allocate per trade, the more attempts and learning opportunities you will have when starting out. Your focus though should be on practice, not immediate profits. Meanwhile, I'm back in the market again and we've approached this key zone now. It will either get broken through or act as price support. Personally, I expect a bounce here, but I believe though we still have a room to profit from a downward move. Everything depends on this ZigZag level. If it breaks, the asset could plummet. But let's not speculate, guys. My current goal is to take one more trade here, and after that I'll switch charts because it's important we analyze different market scenarios together, don't you think? By the way, if you want more analytical content and high quality trade signals, I recommend joining my Telegram channel. The link is in the description. You'll find tons of valuable insights and precise entry signals. Yeah, I personally put them together. Let's grow and profit together. Meanwhile, I've just closed my second consecutive winning trade here. As promised, switching charts now. We'll continue shortly. Alright guys, this is too good to pass up. I'm entering a long position and we show you exactly what the indicators are telling us. The Schaff Trend Cycle is breaking upward, exiting its lower zone, and here's the ZigZag level we are currently breaking through. Earlier, by the way, there was a bounce upward from another level below. This price reversed relative to it, which strengthens our signal. Overall though, the situation on this chart looks quite encouraging. The asset was declining for a long time and trading sideways, but now everything points to long-awaited upward move. The price almost always returns to 8k points. In our case, it's right here. This, by the way, is another advantage of ZigZag. Its pivot points perfectly highlight such levels, making them more noticeable. Just a few more seconds to wait and I will take my profits. Okay, this trade goes perfectly. I think opening one more will be enough. I'll do that on the new chart. Okay, we are trading another confident upward move here. Now I need to show you a small nuance. The ZigZag indicator hasn't drawn its latest pivot points yet, but you can still identify them visually. Here I manually spotted the pattern and entered the trade based on an upward zone breakout. The trend cycle is also exiting its lower zone, making this trade look extremely reliable. Although this is our last trade today. This currency pair currently has unlimited potential. I could keep trading it much longer. It's showing strong growth, but look what happened earlier. The asset was stagnant for a very long time, trading a narrow corridor that we've just broken out of. Remember, always capitalize on such situations. When an asset consolidates in a tight range for extended periods, it's accumulating energy for a powerful breakout. Exactly what we are seeing on this chart. Alright, I've just loaded another successful long position. That's enough for now. $2,500 profit. Perfectly satisfactory. Let's now summarize today's results. You saw it all yourself, guys. This simple trading strategy delivers fast and consistent results. I'm sure many of you are already eager to try it out. Let me remind you again, don't rush to make quick profits or you might lose everything just as fast. Success in trading comes from steady, gradual process. By the way, right now you can boost your trading account by 50% from the very start. All you need to do is join my Telegram channel. The link is in my description. Find my exclusive promo code on pocket option registration. Use it when funding your account to get extra money on your first deposit. Don't miss these opportunities. And yeah, before I go, I really appreciate it if you like this video, drop a comment. Your feedback helps me create better content. Subscribe so you don't miss future videos. All the best, guys. I will see you in the next one. Trade smart.